What the hell is wrong with my subwoofer? I don't know if that's normal or what's causing that. Probably blown capacitors or something. I highly doubt it. I checked on the internet and someone else is having the same problem. I'm going to use the forever flashlight for this one. Oh, so much for that. Tough shit. It's not even supposed to be doing that. Well, I'm gonna get a flashlight and see what I can do, so I can show you guys what it's doing. Sorry, guys. I'm still sick, so I'm not really feeling all that great today. But you guys can hear that weird thumping noise, and it's only coming from the subwoofer. I think it will make a weird thud. Yeah, whenever it does, the speaker driver starts beating. Huh. Oh, that's odd. What a piece of shit. Bought it for 25 bucks at Value Village. Can't beat that. But someone in this house cranked it up all the way when you're not even supposed to. Like, speakers have that option, but really, you're not supposed to do that. And if you crank them up all the way, well, you just wasted your speakers. These ones were working fine. This little speaker here was making a weird hissing sound, but that has stopped. Well, after cranking the volume up, which wasn't my fault, I think it just totally destroyed the subwoofer. So it might stop right now, but it will start back up. When watching movies, it's really difficult. Like if I put my finger there, oh, just beat right on my fingers. Yeah, it stops, but if I keep my fingers on there, you won't hear the bass or the beat or anything. So, either do that, or live with this. But, piss on it. I'm getting too pissed off with it. But anyway, I moved the HP tower down here, and to be honest, it looks better here. Oh yeah, a DVD. I was trying to enjoy the Titanic extended version. Unfortunately, the fucking subwoofer isn't agreeing with me on that one. So, whoa. You know, if I crank the volume up, it doesn't do anything. Like, you know when it makes that beating sound? If I crank it up, it doesn't get any louder. But this one's kind of making the screeching sound, but you know, that's all it's ever done. But after cranking the volume up, like I said, which wasn't my fault, totally killed the subwoofer. So I believe. but who cares? So, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what this thing was doing. First, my refrigerator stops working, sort of, and now my subwoofer isn't working. How cool is that? And when I mean cool, I'm being sarcastic. I'm really pissed off. So, cheers. I should be drinking ginger ale, not Pepsi when I'm sick. But, you know, what am I going to do? But thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you like how my subwoofer and everything else is arranged. And I like how I have more space and how the tower isn't up here. Like, when the tower was sitting on the desk, the heat coming out through the cracks and stuff kept bothering me. Like, if I kept sitting against the wall like this, I would have heat blowing at me. So, moving it down there to keep my legs warm, that's a lot better. And now I can see this beautiful piece of art here. I always pictured it sitting against the wall like that. It looks nice. So, anyway, I'm going to stop recording. I'm going to go to bed. I'm still tired. And, yeah. So, talk to you guys later.